Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, so we wait 1 minute for another participant join, then we will start our second session. Okay. Welcome to our 8 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so already we complete our first number of session. So this is our second number of session. Okay, so first of all, I simply share my screen, then I will move to our presentation slide. Hi and welcome to the 8 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. I am a course coordinator, MD Shofia Rahman from Bangladesh. Our another course coordinator name Tasmiatul Dolon, also from Bangladesh, Google Earth Engine expert, ArcGIS expert, and also GIS and RS analyst from Bangladesh. Okay, so already I mentioned our total course outline in our first number of the class. That's why I skip this part. Okay, so now I move to our second day's course items. Okay, in our second day's course item, we learn how to filtering any satellite images in Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose as example, Sentinel satellite imagery or Landsat satellite imagery or MODIS satellite imagery. Okay, anything. How you can easily filtering any satellite images sorry, in Google Earth Engine platform. And also we learn how to display the satellite images. Okay, how to displaying these satellite images, suppose Sentinel, MODIS or Landsat or any satellite dataset. Okay, and also we learn in our second number of class, we learn band combination using satellite imagery. Okay, lots of band combination available. We learn this type of this band combination in Google Earth Engine platform. Also we learn band combination of different dataset in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and also we learn how to export any satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine platform, suppose Landsat satellite imagery or Sentinel satellite imagery. Okay, any satellite imagery, we learn how we can easily export. Okay, how you can easily import. Okay, how you can easily import any satellite data, how you can easily import any satellite data, how you can easily filter this satellite data, and also reduce this satellite dataset, and also clip your own study area or region of interest, and finally display the result, display the any satellite data using Google Earth Engine platform. And also we learn how to calculate any indices, suppose NDVI, NDWI, NDBI. NDVI means normalized difference vegetation index. NDWI means normalized difference water index. NDBI means normalized difference build-up index. Okay, how you can easily calculate any indices, suppose NDVI, NDWI, NDBI from satellite images, suppose Landsat satellite product or Sentinel satellite uh, product. Okay, also if you want, you can easily use ready product from MODIS. Okay, so now we then we learn how to make time series chart. Okay, how to make time series chart for NDVI, NDWI from MODIS and as well as Landsat dataset. So Google Earth Engine public, you see here the Google Earth Engine public data catalog, lots of satellite dataset available. Suppose crop dataset, dam dataset. Okay, these are our star L1T radiance dataset and lots of the vegetation dataset, LULC dataset, dam dataset available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Okay, so this is the Google Earth Engine public data catalog. You see here the Landsat for also you see here the in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. After some time, I will mention it. Landsat, you see here the lots of satellite dataset available. You see here the more than 600 dataset, public dataset available in Google Earth Engine platform, and also daily they update more than 4,000 new images every day they update. And also if you you can easily access more than 5 petabytes of data. Okay, this is totally free for user. Okay, and this Landsat, suppose Landsat satellite data, Landsat 4, Landsat 5, Landsat 7, Landsat 8, raw data, top atmospheric data, surface reflectance data, and also you see here the MODIS data, MODIS daily product. Okay, 8 days product, 16 days interval product, and also modis LST, modis NDVI, modis NDWI. Okay, lots of data set available in modis section. Okay, and also you see here the land covered data set. You see here the NLCD land cover data, globe cover land cover data, and atmospheric data set available. Suppose CRIBS data, okay, NOAA data, lots of data set available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Just for example, I put here these two type of images: Landsat, Modis, Sentinel, and also if you want, you can easily edit your own data. Okay, if you want, you see here the lots of data set available. Okay, you see here, and they are updating daily. Okay, so now this Google Earth Engine public data catalog address. Okay, this is Google Earth Engine public main data catalog address, developers.google.com/earth engine slash dataset. Okay, this is our main dataset. After some second we will see it. Okay, so don't worry. So okay, so before this topic, I go to my new code editor, code.earthengine.google.com, and also okay, maybe networking issue. So for better network, I skip my video. Okay, so this is our Google Earth Engine code editor. Okay, easily you go to the search option, search place, and data set. Now you see here the browse data catalog. Now you see here that this is our Google Earth Engine public dataset available here: surface temperature dataset, climate dataset, atmospheric dataset, weather dataset, Landsat Sentinel, lots of dataset available. And also if you want to see this Landsat uh, Landsat dataset, you see here the lots of Landsat dataset also available: Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, Landsat 4, Landsat 1 to 7 MSS. Okay, already I mentioned briefly in our first number of lecture. Also, you see if you want to see the MODIS satellite dataset, you see here the lots of MODIS satellite data. You see here the this satellite dataset of from MODIS. Okay, you see here the MODIS land cover type yearly global 500-meter resolution dataset, and also you see here the MODIS leaf area index dataset, surface radiation dataset. Okay, land surface daily dataset, global 500-meter and 1 kilometer satellite dataset, and also you see here the lots of MODIS product available. You see here the Terra land surface temperature and emissivity daily global 1 kilometer, and also you see here the Terra land surface temperature and emissivity 8 days interval dataset, global 1 kilometer resolution. Also you see here the Terra vegetation indices satellite dataset. Okay, lots of MODIS satellite dataset available from this MODIS section. Okay, and also if you want to see the Sentinel dataset, also you see here the Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2, wait a minute, Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2, Sentinel 3, Sentinel 5, okay, Sentinel 5, Propomi dataset. Okay, lots of dataset available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. If you see the view all dataset, you just uh, open it, just view all dataset, and easily you see more than 600 dataset available in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, okay. You see here the lots of data set. Okay, more than 600 data set available here. Okay, you see here the Sentinel, harmonized Sentinel Sentinel 2 multi um, spectral instrument data set. Also, you see here the lots of data set. Okay, you see here the lots of data set available. Already I mentioned in our briefly mentioned in our first number of lecture. So now we learn step by step some uh, practice one. Okay, so now I'm going to my presentation slide. So first of all, we learn how you can easily filter. Okay, this headline show the import, filter, reduce, clip, and display any satellite data using Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so how you can easily import any satellite data set from Google Earth Engine public dataset. Okay, you see here the how you can easily import any satellite data from Earth Engine dataset like MODIS, Sentinel, or any dataset if you required any dataset. Okay, then we learn how you can easily filter this data. Okay, we filter by using our specific study area, specific time frame, specific metadata. Okay, and also lots of filter function available. So how you can easily filter step by step. Then we learn how to reduce this image collection. Okay, and also we use region of interest, specific date, specific metadata, and also we reduce our number of images. Okay, and then also how to clip your own study area or your own shapefile or your uh, required geometry. Okay, then we learn how to display the result on the map in map part or map interactive view in Google Earth Engine platform, and finally how to if need how to represent this scale pixel value if need. Okay, represent the scale factor, and also how you can display the result, and also if need how you can easily represent this factor. Okay, so now step by step we learn all of the items. Okay, so wait a minute. So now I'm going to my new code editor, and also suppose you see here the lots of data set available, and from this lots of data set we simply select one, and also we import this data set in our code editor. Okay, suppose for example from Sentinel, Modis and Landsat, we randomly we select this Landsat one. Okay, and also you see here the Landsat 9 satellite data set, also Landsat 8. Okay, for example just randomly we select Landsat 8 data set or Landsat 9 just for example we open the Landsat 9 data set. Okay, so now after under the Landsat 9 dataset, you see here the surface reflectance imagery, top atmospheric reflectance imagery. Okay, so that means surface reflectance, top atmospheric reflectance, and also raw images. Okay, if you want, you can use any section. Okay, just for example, just randomly we select this one. Suppose Landsat 9 top atmospheric reflectance dataset. Now you see here the all of the description. Okay, detailed description of this dataset available here. You see here the USGS Landsat 9 collection 2 tier 1 top atmospheric reflectance this dataset. This dataset available time. Okay, availability time year of 2021 to year of 2024, 13 December. That means updating date. Okay, so year of 2021 to 24. Okay, and also this is our Google Earth Engine Snippet. Okay, Earth Engine Snippet. Okay, and also you see here the description of this data set. Landsat 9 collection 2 tier 1 calibrated top atmospheric reflectance data set, calibration coefficient, and extracted from the image metadata. Lots of the information available about this data set. Okay, and also you see here the band information of this Landsat 9 data set. You see here the B1 band. Okay, pixel size is 30 meters. Okay, and also wavelength of the 0.43 to 0.45 micrometer. Okay, and also you see here the this band description is B1 indicate the coastal aerosol band, and also you see here the B2 band indicate the blue band in this satellite data set. Okay, and also you see here the B3 indicate the green band. Also you see here the B4 indicate the red band. All of the working band are 30-meter pixel size. And also you see here the B5, that means near infrared band, NIR band. B6 indicate the short wave infrared 1 band is WIR 1, and B7 indicate the short wave infrared 2, and lots of band B9, B10. Okay, B10 band indicate the thermal band. If you want, you can use this band B10 band, and also you can easily analyze your Landsat LST, that means land surface temperature. When we work with LST, we use it. Okay, so don't worry. So also you see here the QA pixel band. That means Landsat 8K collection to LI RSQA bitmark. That means this bitmarks band. You see here the bit 10, bit 1, bit 2, lots of the bit function available here. So when we discuss this part, we will learn it. Okay, so you see here there are lots of band information available in this band section, and also you see here the user term of use, and also you see here the image hello, if you have any question ask me, no problem. Yes. Okay, after some time. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, dear. Okay, after some time we will learn of the how you can easily use band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5. After some time we will learn. Okay. 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 After okay. Okay, wait a minute. After some time, we will learn all of the things. Okay, so don't. When if you want, suppose you want to analyze your NDVI. Okay, so NDVI, when you see your NDVI equation, NDVI equation is red band minus near infrared band divided by red band plus near infrared band. Then we use this band. You see here the red band is indicate the 4. Okay, and NIR band indicate the band 5. So we use this two band 4 and band 5 we use for analysis our NDVI. And also if you want to use NDWI, NDWI equation is green band minus near infrared band divided by green band plus near infrared band. So that's why we use this green band. That means green band is stored in the band name is B3, and also NIR band is stored in the band 5. Okay, when you want to make your analysis using Landsat 9 images, and also you see at the time of use section, lots of the information available here, and also you see at the image properties section. Okay, you see here the lots of the image properties available here. So after some time we will learn all of the things. You see here the percentage of allowed information. Okay, you see this band name is or image properties name is allowed cover. Okay, also allowed land. Okay, lots of the information available here. Okay, so suppose how you can easily import this data set in your code editor. Just simple, easily select your earth engine snippet and copy it. Okay, and also paste in your code editor. Paste in your code editor, and also we take a variable name, suppose var, and suppose Landsat 9. Landsat 9. If you want, you can use any variable name, no problem. Okay, also we put here the land. This is the one way for importing any satellite data set in your code editor. Just simply copy this earth engine snippet and paste in your code editor. This is the one way. And another way is, suppose if you search here, suppose Landsat 9. Okay, when you see the search at the Landsat 9, wait a minute. Okay, now you see here the lots of the Landsat 9, Landsat 8, and if you want to see more, you see the Landsat 9 election 2 tier 1 top atmospheric reflectance, Landsat 9 raw essence. Okay, all of the Landsat data set import option. And another way is just use copy this snippet and paste in your code editor and set your variable name. Okay, already we learned this two way for importing any satellite data set in your code editor. Always we follow these two way for importing any satellite data set in your code editor. Always we follow it. Okay, so no problem. So already two option we see here. So just skip one item. Okay, now you see here that this satellite data set. Okay, this one. And also if you want, you can easily same things. Wait a minute, just easily copy this snippet and paste in your code editor. Suppose paste in a code editor and take a variable, otherwise keep var you want, and also you see the Landsat 9, suppose L9. Okay, if you want, you can use any variable name. It's depend on you. Okay, just this is all of the dataset images stored in the variable name is L9. That means Landsat 9. Now step by step we filter it. Okay, so now if you want to check how many images available under this dataset, okay, just to use the print function. We use the print function and call our this dataset variable name is L9. Simply copy and paste here. Okay, now click on the run, and after some time you see here the wait a minute. So after some time we see this image, because you see here the image collection is error. That's why this correction aborted after accumulating over 5,000 elements. That's why we did not see here. Okay, so now we use the size function. Size function. What is our size function? Size function automatically show as a integer number value. That means number of images. How many images available in this data set? automatically see here as a integer number, that means round figure number, which is a size function. All of the function available in docstep. That's why as a new learner, docstep your friend. Okay, so now we use the size function and also click to the run. Okay, now you see here the number is computing, that means server side is working, because we use here the EE dot earth engine dot image collection. That's why server side is working. Okay, so now you will see after some time you will see, okay, now you see at the more than 5 lakh images under this time frame, year of 2021 to 2024. Okay, under this time frame or between this time frame, you see here more than 5 lakh images available in this Landsat 9 dataset. If you want to use any dataset, suppose we want to use any data set, wait a minute, suppose Landsat 8 dataset if you want. Okay, Landsat 8, you see here the same dataset, Landsat 2 collection, Landsat 8 collection to tier 1 top atmospheric reflectance dataset. Now we import this dataset in your code editor and try to see how many images available in this dataset. Okay, now we open in our new tab. Wait a minute. So now already we, okay, so now this line we inactive here, and also put our Landsat 8. Okay, and put the variable name is Landsat 8. Okay, so now we, okay, now we change this Landsat 8 9 variable, instead of Landsat 9 we use Landsat 8. Okay, so now in Landsat 9 dataset, we see here the more than 5 lakh images available. Now we want to check in Landsat 8. Okay, top atmospheric dataset. Now we click the run. So now okay. So wait a minute. So now we use here our study area. Suppose we want to use our required study area. So we select asset from our asset. We select any study area. Suppose we put here the practice base 23 shape file. Just you click on this import to script. Okay, this is the one way, and another way is that we open it and also click on this import button. It automatically import in your code editor. This is two way. Okay, so now you see here the we put here the our variable name of the shape file is suppose region of interest. Okay, RY, that means, or you put here the area of interest, AOI, that means area of interest. Now this our study area shape file asset stored in the variable name is AOI. Okay, this study area saved here. Okay, study area. Okay, so now you see here the more than 1 million images available in Landsat 8 top atmosphere. Okay, more than 1 million, 1.9 million images. Okay, so now we just, for example, we see it. So now we use our Landsat 9 dataset. For example, just we change this variable name, suppose L9 to L8 to N9. Okay, so now we click to the run. Now we see here the more than 5 lakh images available in this satellite dataset. Okay, so now we filtering this dataset by a specific region. Okay, so now we take a variable, and variable name is suppose filter region. Okay, filter region. For better understanding, I put here this type of variable name. If you want, you can use any variable. Okay, no problem. If you want, you can use any variable. Now we call our this more than 5 lakh images call. That means this L9 is stored in the total this number of images. Okay, that's why we call our L9. Simply copy this L9 variable name and paste. And now we use the filter bounds function for filter our study area. Filter bounds function. Okay, what is our filter bounds function? Wait a minute. Filter bounds function is our attached our study area geometry. What is our geometry? Geometry is our area of interest. That means our study area. So simply copy this area of interest variable name and paste here. Okay. And now if you want to check how many images available in your study area. Okay. Now we use the print function and also print this filter region, because we use here our study area AOI by using filter bounds function. What is our filter bounds function? If you want to learn about this function, just you copy and search here. Filter bounds function. Okay, filter bounds. What is our filter bounds function? Filter bounds function is shortcut to filter a collection by intersecting with your geometry. That means study area. Okay, items in the collection with a footprint that fails to intersect the given geometry will be explored. That means only we filter your specific study area. So suppose you want to use this shape file. Okay, this study area available images we filter. Okay, this study area, not whole world. Okay, just this study area we filtered how many images available in this data set. Okay, so now we use the filter bounds function. Now click to the run. Okay, this filter bounds function we stored in our total Landsat 9 data set. Variable name is L9 here, and also use here the filter bounds, and all of these two things stored in the variable name is filter region. That means simply copy this filter region function and paste here, and also use here the same thing size function for show as a integer number value. Now click to the run. You see here the second number is computing. Okay, now you see here the we easily filter 175 images from more than 5 lakh images, because in this Landsat 9 data set you see here the total more than 5 lakh images available. From this more than 5 lakh images, only we use our study area and filter this number of images. This image number is 175 only. So now we use here our, suppose you want to select your study time frame. Okay, already we use our filter study region, and now you want to select, your study time. Suppose 1 month, 1 year, 6 months. So that's why now we click. Okay, so if you have any question, ask me. Anyone?
Can you repeat the segment again?
This total segment.
How to use the filter bounds.
Okay, okay. So now is just we put here our Landsat 9 dataset, right? And with this dataset is stored in the variable name is L9. If you want, you can use any variable. Suppose Landsat, for your better understanding, I put the Landsat 9. Okay, and now we check how many images available in this Landsat 9 images. Now you see here the all of the number of images in our Landsat 9 dataset, right? So now you see here the number is after some time we will see the more than 5 lakh images available in this Landsat 9 dataset, and this dataset time frame is year of 2021, from 21 to 24. Okay, and day by day this updating this dataset. Okay, and store these update images. Okay, so now already you see the more than 5 lakh images. Now we filter it. Suppose you want to filter with your study area, because these images available, suppose whole world. Okay, so now we use here only your study area. Okay, that's why suppose we take another variable name, suppose filter region. Okay, or if you want, you can use any study variable name, suppose filter geometry. If you want, you can use anything, no problem. And under this filtered geometry variable name, now we call this our Landsat 9 dataset. That means total more than 5 lakh images we call. Now we simply copy this name Landsat 9, right? And now we use the filter bounds function. This filter bounds function we use for our only intersect our study area from total earth. Understand? We use here the filter bounds function. So filter bounds function, what is our filter bounds function? You see here the required your filter bounds. If you put here the at a time control and space, you see here the required thing is filter study area. That means geometry. Now we call our geometry area of interest. Simply copy and paste here. Okay, and also if you want to see how many images available in your study area, now we simply copy and paste there and click the run. So now you see the number, how many images available only in your geometry. That means only in your study area. 175 images. Now if you have any question, ask me. No problem. Response please.
I'm still not getting how you got it, right?
Sorry, repeat again.
Like how you got AOI after entering filter bound?
Okay, AOI. Already we select here AOI. If you want to select here the geometry, it's not fixed. Okay, it's not fixed. If you want, you can use anything. Just simply call this geometry and paste here. Same thing, same result you see here. Okay. Already we import here our geometry from our asset. Understand?
For that we need to import our asset.
Yes, asset from asset, or if you want, just wait a minute, if you want to remove this asset, and just for example suppose I put any study shape file, we draw any shape study area shape file. Okay, just not from our asset, just we put, okay, just put here, just we put this study area. Suppose if you want to analyze with using this study area. Okay, so now suppose you put here this variable name is geometry. Okay, and also now we put here now we all of the things are same. Now click the run. So now you see in your this study area, in this study area you see here the number of images 182. Understand, it's not fixed. Okay, just for better example, I put here this study area shape file, and suppose we want to use this variable name table. Now click the run. So now you see here the 175 images available in only our study area. Suppose this, okay, now we see our study area first. That's, hope you understand. Okay, map dot center object function for center focusing this study area. What is our study area object name? Object name is table, and zoom level suppose we select here the 10. Okay, if you want you can use 1 2 3 2 4 5 anything. Okay, 0 to 24 is not fixed. Now click the run. So now you see your study area here. Okay, wait a minute. So now you see your study, only your study area, this select shadow maybe. Wait a minute. Okay, we did not add our layer, that's why we first of all need map dot add layer function. Okay, and make this layer, suppose layer is the shape file. Wait a minute, suppose this shape file is default variable name is table, and also this param we did not set. Now click the run. So now you see this result in our study area. Wait a minute. Okay, this study area we said, okay, in this study area, in we use this study area and find 175 images from this Landsat 9. This is our we filter and find this 75 images in only in our this study area. Okay, now if you have any question, ask me step by step. Response please. Hello.
How you select the study area?
Select.
How, how to select the study area?
Okay, dear, we select this study area from our asset. Okay, you see here the lots of study area shape file available in our asset. Okay, that's why we use here the filter bounds function for select our study, this study area. Understand?
But we do not have assets.
Yeah, yeah. We from our asset we import it. Okay, then we select here. Okay, so now you see here only in our study area you see here the 175 images available. Okay, so now we again filter, suppose your study time frame. Okay, study time length, suppose you take a variable name, we put at the filter date function. That means filter date range we use here, filter date. Okay, so now we use the filter date function. What is our filter date function? Suppose we call, now we call step by step, we filter all the things. Okay, just we filter our specific required images. Okay, so that's why we use here the filter. Now we use the filter from this in this Landsat 9 the data set. You see here the time frame is here 2021 to 24. Okay, so now we use here the filter. Now we call our region of interest intersecting only 175 images. Okay, this 175 images is stored in the variable name is filter geometry. Now simply copy this filter variable name and paste there. And now we use here the filter date function. Filter date function. Okay, filter date function. When your function is working, you see here that this type of pink uh, color. Okay, so when you press Control and space at a time, start date and okay, start date and also end date. Now we use here the start date. We use here the suppose year of 2022 1st January to year of 2022 31st December. That means we suppose we want to select our study time frame is 1 year. Okay, year of 2022 1st January to 31st December. Okay, so now we want to check how many images available in our between this time frame. That means our 1 year time frame. Now we use the print function and print our this already we use the filter date function, and it's the all of the thing is stored in the variable name is filter date. Okay, filter date. Now we use here the filter date and use the size function for show as a integer number value. Now we do the run. So now you see here the another number is coming. That means 60 only more than 60 images. Okay, 60 more than 60 sorry only 63 images available between this time frame. If you want you can increase your analysis time or decrease your analysis time. It is not a big deal. Okay, now we filter this our time frame, and also we select here the only 63 images between this time frame. That means 1 year time. Now we use here the filter. We take a variable is suppose filter metadata. Okay, filter metadata function. What is our metadata? After some time, after some second, we learn metadata. Suppose metadata filter metadata equal sign and call our this total 63 images. Okay, these 63 images stored in the variable name is filter date. Now simply copy this filter this variable name and paste here, and now we use the filter metadata function, filter metadata.